I met Pramukh Swamiji, my ultimate teacher, unwittingly. Faith and my curiosity had drawn me to him. What began as a chance introduction became a divine destiny. June 2001. In my first meeting with Pramukh Swamiji, when I presented the plans for India 2020, his first words were, "Along with your 5 areas to transform India, add a 6th one, faith in God." I felt that I was in the divine presence. I felt that I had acquired a 6th sense.
Of my first meeting with Pramukh Swamiji Maharaj on 13th June 2001. My discussion with Swamiji on the fusion of science and spirituality and the role it could play in national development went for an hour. I presented the Developed India Vision 2020 in front of Swamiji. He said that God's blessings are always there to realize this vision.
13th August 2002. Pramukh Swamiji confirmed my childhood learning that everything wants peace. But the only peace that will fully satisfy us will be the peace of the divine. His life is an example of how to love peace, have peace, and possess peace. 2004, 8th February. Pramukh Swamiji is a great bridge in the vast archipelago of humanity. An archipelago is an island group. Humanity has divided itself into hundreds of islands. Beautiful, yet disconnected. Swamiji is connecting these different islands by making bridges of love and compassion.
Namaskar Rashtrapati Ji. My question is, what should we place more faith in, science or God?
I personally believe you just look at the sky. You see stars. Sometime you will see our galaxy. There are millions and millions of galaxies we don't see. Only we have to use is the Einstein telescope to see that. But what is the meaning? That means creation so complex. There's a creator. There's a God. Okay? That God is definitely gives, if you believe in God, you have a beautiful faith. Beautiful faith, happiness will come to your life.
કે ઊંચા ઊંચા सब चले नीचा न चले कोई जो कोई नीचा चले तो सबसे बड़ा कोई એ વાત જોગી મહારાજના જીવનમાં હતી. આજે એ વાત છે કે આપણા ભારતના રાષ્ટ્રપતિ કલામ સાહેબના જીવનમાં જોવા મળી કે એમને આટલી મોટી પ્રવૃત્તિ છે, આખા દેશની બધી સેવા, એટલા બધા વ્યવસાયી છે, બધું છે, છતાં પણ આ કાર્યક્રમ બાળકોનો છે એને માટે ખાસ વધાર્યા, પોતાનું કાર્ય મૂકીને સમય લઈને અને એ બધી વસ્તુની અંદર. એટલે હું રાષ્ટ્રપતિ છું અને રાષ્ટ્રપતિથી મારે બાળકો સાથે શું વાત કરું, કેમ જઉં છું, એ કશો વિચાર જ નહીં. એમને આ પોતાના બધા કાર્યો બીજા મૂકીને પણ આ સમય લઈને આવ્યા છે. એટલે બાળકો તરફનો પ્રેમ જે જોગી મહારાજે અમે જોયેલો એ પ્રેમ આજે અમને જોવા મળ્યો.
November 2005. After the opening ceremony, I said to Pramukh Swamiji, "When I see Akshardham in your work, I feel anything is possible in this world. I want to work with you for a better India."
प्यारे मित्रों, मुझे अक्षरधाम को देखकर ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि मैं किसी दूसरे लोक में हूँ. प्रमुख स्वामी जी महाराज को मेरा सादर प्रणाम.
ये अपना राष्ट्रपति अब्दुल कलाम साहब ने जब अब विचार किया तो उसके 21 साल तक में बड़ा एक कार्य उसने संकल्प किया है कि सब ऐसे हमारा देश समृद्धि ने पावे, विकास ने पावे, सब तरीके सब प्रकार से ये समृद्ध हुए और शांति हुए. ऐसा कार्य हमने किया कि सारा अच्छा मानसों बने, सारा नेता बने, सारा डॉक्टर बने, सारी जो बात है वो दिमाग में था. ऐसा ही संकल्प हमने किया है. तो ये भगवान प्रार्थना हम करते कि उसके द्वारा पूर्ण हुए और भारत में भी शांति हुए, ऐसे हम प्रार्थना करते हैं.
March 2014. Pramukh Swamiji has indeed transformed me. He is the ultimate stage of the spiritual ascent in my life, which started with my father, was sustained by Dr. Brahma Prakash and Professor Satish Dhawan. Now, finally, Pramukh Swamiji has put me in a God-synchronous orbit.
Mahaprabhu Swamiji, for me it's a 15 years travel. 2000 I saw you. Now 2050. 15 years travel. Beautiful spiritual journey. I saw, Swamiji, I saw your great day when Akshardham was inaugurated in New Delhi. Akshardham, New Delhi. Yamuna river, near river of Yamuna. It's a beautiful sight. On the inauguration day, all leaders were there. Everybody talked. Everybody talked. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You just got up, looked in front of Akshardham, and you didn't speak. That means creation, God's creation. That is the great day. I said I must write a book. Your life's a great life. And we have brought out in that book the great life, purposeful life, divine life.
पिछले वर्ष जब कलाम साहब ने मुझे सारंगपुर बुलाया और हम लोग प्रमुख स्वामी जी के पास गए, तब पहली बार मुझे प्रमुख स्वामी जी के दर्शन करने का सौभाग्य मिला। उनसे मिलने के बाद कलाम साहब ने कहा कि मेरी बहुत दिन से इच्छा थी कि मैं प्रमुख स्वामी जी के बारे में एक किताब लिखूं, और आज मैं तुम्हें यह आदेश देता हूं कि वो किताब लिखो और जितनी जल्दी हो सके लिखो, क्योंकि अगर उस किताब लिखने से पहले प्रमुख स्वामी जी का प्रयाण हो गया तो इससे बड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मेरी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं होगा। तो इस आदेश के साथ मैं वापस आया और मैंने किताब लिखनी शुरू की। तो कलाम साहब इज़ ए टास्क मास्टर, सो ही यूज्ड टू आस्क हाउ मेनी पेजेस यू हैव रिटन, and after a few weeks I realized that I am not able to write anything. तो मैं अहमदाबाद आया और स्वामी ब्रह्म बिहारी जी मुझे स्वामी ईश्वर चंद दास जी के पास ले गए, और तब उन्होंने मेरे सिर पर हाथ रखा और प्रमुख स्वामी जी की एक फ़ोटो मुझे दी, और वो फ़ोटो सामने रख के जब मैंने अपने कंप्यूटर पर टाइप करना शुरू किया तो शब्दों में से शब्द, वाक्यों में से वाक्य, पेजों में से पेज निकलते चले।
I have written this book. You are a great teacher. You are a great teacher. You are a great teacher. Teacher, I learnt. Remove I. Remove me. That's a great lesson I learned. So many people like me are asking, what should be the next vision for India? What will be the next vision for India? How do we transform a developed country into a developed country within next 30 years? I had given 5 ideas. But you have 6th idea. After seeing my book, you give a 6th idea. You said the 6th idea is spiritual life of India. We have India transformed into, apart from prosperity, wealth, we should to transform into a spiritual nation. I have added there. This book, over 2 years research, and every page it's about your life and also my experiences combined. So we love to write this because the divine blessings we have brought this book.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा मृतंगमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।